Alex. Bro, mbona hakuna kitu ndani?
Tuende side nyingine.
Endeni hiyo side ndio mpate.
Nafasi hapo, nafasi.
My brother. Kidogo tu. Boss, songa kidogo ndugu.
Simameni basi hapo.
Whereby bus operators by name Kidia One Express, upon reaching at the one border post, the multi-agency team, during search, they intercepted a wooden box, snake inside, and upon that search, it was established that it was traveling from Dar es Salaam to Kenya, and the owner of the consignment has not yet been established, but we have the contacts. The bus and driver and the conductor have been arrested. They have been held in custody at Namanga Police Station to assist the police with investigation, of which they will be arraigned in court tomorrow to warn all illegal traffickers who are dealing with illegal businesses without valid document to carry out their business. When they will be caught, they will be faced by the law and they will be prosecuted.
Mimi ni mkaaji wa hapa Namanga, nimeshuhudia maajabu. Kuna hii gari inaitwa Kidia. Ni basi ambayo inabebaga watu kutoka Arusha, inabeba na inawapeleka watu mpaka Nairobi. Lakini leo tumeshuhudia kitu ambayo hatujaiona kwa maisha yetu. Badala basi ibebe watu, imebeba nyoka. Sasa ni kweli watu wanasemaga mwisho ya dunia inakuja, kwa sababu kama basi ambayo inafaa kubeba watu inabeba nyoka, hiyo ni kuonyesha ya kwamba hizo ni maajabu. So leo imetokea hapa Namanga, hiyo basi bado tu iko hapa na tumeshangazwa sana na jambo hilo.
State colleagues from the Border Management Committee present in Namanga OSPP. This is a brief press statement regarding an incident that occurred earlier today at the border station. In the normal course of clearance of a passenger bus that was transiting from Tanzania into Nairobi, members of the Joint Operations Committee intercepted a consignment of a box that had been consigned from Tanzania to Kenya, and it is labeled it's said to contain motor vehicle spares. But upon inquiry, the members of the Joint Operations Committee who are undertaking a routine rummaging of the bus managed to discover a live snake. We contacted Kenya Wildlife Services, who responded quickly, and we've had a handler who joined us at the verification area and managed to open the box and discovered a live snake.